So today we're taking a look at the NB10000 Gen3 from Nitecore. And this is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, and it has two USB-C input and outputs. Both of them are in and out ports. And you press the button here and you can see how much remaining charge you have. Now in the box, it also do include a USB type A to C. So if you wanted to charge legacy devices with that output, you can definitely do that. Now this is absolutely the lightest power bank that I've tried. Previously, the lightest one that I had tried was this one, the Zen3 Super Mini. As you can see, this one is 183, which was previously one of the lightest I had tried. The Nitecore was also lighter, but I hadn't had a chance to try it yet. And this one is 151. So definitely the lightest power bank, which I really enjoy. It's also the thinnest. It's very thin and a bit longer, but definitely very easy to slip into your pocket. So one of the good things about it being so slim is that I can just pop it into this here, which my Alpaca Gear zip passport wallet here, and I can actually just pop it in there and zip it up. You can see it's just so thin that it fits in one nice neat little package like that. This also means you could slip it into the front pocket there, and it actually also fits very nicely. The other thing that you can do is you can slip it into your pants pocket, or your sling bag, or anywhere that has a nice thin pocket, and you won't feel too weighed down there. Because of the slimness and the form factor, it kind of feels like using like a really small phone or something. Now, if you look close, you can see the edges are actually rubberized. So these corners have a bit of sort of soft rubber on them. The middle part is carbon fiber, and then the edges are just a hard plastic. So the corners are rubberized, which means if you did drop it and it hits the corner, it's going to be really resistant to that. And it also is some amount water resistant, so it can withstand splashes and stuff like that. Definitely a very durable power bank. Now, because it has USB Type-C, you can use something like this, which is the Mako Apple Watch charger. Just pop that on there. As you can see, the lights are coming on. Pop your watch on there, and you'll be able to charge your watch on the go. Now, when I was traveling, I grabbed this cable here from a brand called Travel Mall. But what I like about it is that it has a USB Type-C and a Type-A, and then it goes between a Lightning and Type-C under here and the old mini USB there. So what I'd find is that if I just plug this into the top part there, then plug it into my phone, I have a really nice little lightweight setup. But definitely one to check out. I really do like the form factor, and I love how lightweight it is. So definitely saving some weight on the overall carry in your bag. Definitely go ahead and check this out through the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.